In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently merge layers in your design software. Merging layers can be a crucial step in tidying up your workspace, streamlining your file, and ensuring that your project is organized for future editing. So, let's walk through this process together and make sure you come away feeling confident about managing layers in your creative projects. First, let's open up the Layers panel. If you can't find it on your screen, just navigate to the top menu bar, select Window, and then click on Layers. This step is essential as it gives you a clear visual of all the layers in your current composition. Whether you're dealing with multiple layers for complex artwork or just a few for a simple design, having easy access to this panel is crucial. Now, it's time to choose the specific layers you want to merge. If you have layers that are not right next to each other, you can click on the first layer, then hold down the Control key on Windows, or the CMD key if you're using a Mac, and click on the individual layers you want to merge with it. Doing this allows you to select multiple non-adjacent layers, which can be really handy if your layers aren't lined up consecutively. Alternatively, if you need to select a series of continuous layers, a helpful tip is to hold down the Shift key. Start by clicking on one layer, then hold Shift and click on another. This automatically selects all the layers in between as well. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your selections without having to click each layer individually. Once you've selected the layers you want to merge, direct your attention to the Layers panel menu. You'll find this as a small icon that often resembles a hamburger menu or sometimes a flyout menu located at the top right corner of your Layers panel. Clicking on this opens a drop-down menu packed with various options for managing layers. Inside this menu, you'll see the option labeled Merge Selected. Click on this, and your selected layers will combine into a single layer, maintaining their previous stacking order. Merging layers can simplify your workspace, making your project so much easier to navigate and edit. If instead, your goal is to combine all the layers into one master layer, without worrying about which ones are currently selected, you can opt for Flatten Artwork. This option is in the same menu and, once chosen, will merge all layers into a single layer, giving your entire project a unified finish. Remember, flattening is more permanent and should be done only when you're sure about combining all elements. There you have it. A straightforward and effective way to manage your layers through merging or flattening, giving you more control over your design work. Keep experimenting and mastering your tools, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.